At less than 120 miles per hour, the state-of-the-art flight control by Sophie in the second to none. From the right, the second high on the pad.